So hey everyone, this is your best look at the Apple iPhone 14 series, and all I can say that this smartphone is going to change the game of Apple. Now we have the actual size, schematics and dimensions of the Apple iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and the surprising thing is that there are a few design and size differences. Yes, the cameras are now 15 to 20% larger than last year's iPhones according to the schematics, since Apple is employing a 48 megapixel primary sensor which will of course shoot some high definition photographs and excellent night shots. The bump and module are nasty and huge. Apple is employing the same iPhone 13 Pro Max back style design finish. This confirms that we will not see the integrated camera on the rear design that we saw in the original leak by John Prosser. The display will feature eye-shaped cutout which will have a circular hole for the front-facing selfie shots and a pill-shaped hole that will include a Face ID. Yes, the overall bezels are now thinner than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so all I can say is that this is a device that one should wait before making any decision. Because yes, the notch is gone, the pill-shaped hole does look hideous, but it is not that bad. And that internals like the A16 Bionic CPU, iOS 16 heat deception system and a new camera sensor are like a huge changes we will see after so many years. Moving on, Shadow Leak, who has yet to establish his worth as a leaker but has gotten certain leaks correct in the past, has tweeted the iPhone 14 lineup's major specs. He confirms reports concerning the screen size and basic RAM. To summarize, the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max will both be powered by the A15 Bionic processor, while the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max will be powered by the rumored A16 Bionic processor, which is allegedly based on a significant more advanced 4nm manufacturing process, making it faster and more power efficient. That means the normal models will have a 60Hz panel while the Pros will have a 120Hz screens, allowing for smooth scrolling and seamless display transitions. According to reports, the base RAM will be increased from the 4GB to 6GB, but only the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max would have a latest LPDDR5 technology. So that's all I have on the iPhone 14 series at the moment, but be sure to check back for more tech news just like this. And don't forget to give your opinions on this new iPhone 14 design in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.